I didn't say bring yourself closer. I said bring the dog closer.
You going up there?
Alright.
You coming?
Mm-hmm. Wait, turn it the other way. No, like, hold him here the other way. Give me. Johnny, he said you have it. You can give it to me.
Okay, guys. Who has Mushta's dog?
Who has it? I want to know. It's a mystery.
You're gonna get lost there. You're gonna
Give me my
lost.
dog. Whoever has it. Here's your real Shut up.
We need to investigate who has his dog. I got the flashlight. We're going through. This is a mystery.
It's a mystery.
And we gotta figure out who stole
We're the
this.
wacky kids.
We gotta
Mike.
figure out
First of all, you
who-
took my flashlight and you took my dog.
who stole the little dog.
Stop it.
Now we're about to
Hey, you wanna know something though? I was supposed to say
I'm gonna
meddling
bite
kids. Motherfucker, we the wacky kids. Okay. We solve this mystery. Saying I'm Bill.
Yes.
Mushta.
We got the keys.
Ready? We got the keys.
We got the keys back, guys.
Keys to the car.
It's okay.
Is it a car keys too?
Well, yeah, it's car keys. We made it, guys.
Troy, Max. Yeah, Yannick
Yannick.
right there.
His face kind of cut off. Oh, there we go.
Yannick, you know what I'm saying? We're some beasts, you know, we shaking.
But we still haven't found the dog, and that's what we're looking
I
for.
hate all you guys.
Yeah.
His camera's coming.
Look at the
Our
dog
teacher,
B.
but he doesn't really say anything.
Yeah.
She's just bouncing around.
Dog.
Look at the dog B.
She's going
Where
crazy over
could
this
that
dog.
dog be? You guys know?
If you guys know, can you
Let us
please
know.
help us find it.
Please dial 615.
Get the keys.
Now get the dog.
Get the dog. We need a Blue's Clue something.
Some shit.
Help
Something.
us out.
You feel me? You find
Help
the dog.
us, help us find it.
SOS something shit.
We need a notepad. We need Dora. We need freaking
Diego, everybody.
Yeah, we need everybody. Tell them all to come.
Y'all are not even funny. Y'all don't.
Man, look though. What?
I said, do it again, bring it in closer.
Funny as hell.
We need Spider-Man to save us or something.
Spider-Man.
So, Troy, what you gonna do on your birthday, man?
Well, you see, Yannick, me, you, freak. Back to me. All right, me, you, Brandon, you know, maybe Max again, because he looks old as fuck. But we're going to hit up the strip club, and we're going to be like, we're going to be like that. Giving them the ones. Much is getting so bad. It is not even that
She's getting like frustrated, yo.
Because I
Hey,
want it back.
I'm gonna let y'all know.
She was a dog. Like it's like was it a pit?
Yeah, it's a pit. It's my pit. But listen, it's 9:24 in the morning, right? We
She's wondering about a
this,
dog.
this is the second period of the day. We still got all day to get this. Over a dick. Just kidding. We're talking
Look
about.
at Yannick on that cupcake though. Yannick, ooh. Yannick, some of that cupcake though, bro.
Sheet.
Sheet.
I'm
Sheet.
really frustrated right
Sheet.
That's much as
Are you, Mushta, why you frustrated for it, man? Mushta, Mushta, we love you. Mushy's my Mushida. Look at Mushta's butt. No booty. Yeah.
now. Can you stop following me?
Look what Yannick's doing though. Yannick. Damn, Yannick. What the hell you doing to Muster? Muster, just take it like a woman. Take it like a champion. The dick. Yeah, guys, back to you guys.
Alright, so we actually really do have the dog.
Yeah.
Well, I gave it to Max. Hurry up and show the dog. Show the crowd that we have the dog. So she's kind of slow.
Muster's
Too slow.
Muster, it kind of like went like overhead,